Yeah, I'm super excited and I don't want to tell you why. Just at the beginning of the video, but yeah, I'm gonna tell you in a bit why I'm super excited. But yeah, let's get started. Hey guys, what's up beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in, and yeah, I am back with another video, and I'm super excited because I made a purchase which I have been waiting for it since yesterday. I'm like, when is my package coming, when is my package coming? And this morning it arrived and I'm like, nah, there's no way I can wait without showing to you guys. So I'm like, just turn on the camera and share it with you. We are gonna open this together. So here we go. Let's see. Oh, actually it has this thing that you can remove. So this is it, and yeah, I'm trying my very best here so that we can all see it together. So here is, oh, okay, there you go, sealed. This thing is, oh, so okay, it's like this. Now here we go. My lighter. Can you see that better? Yeah. Oh, I had it upside down. This is it. But yeah, this is it. My very first MacBook. Yeah. So I made a purchase online yesterday, and I got it off Apple online store. I got it in the refurbished section. Apple has a refurbished section for whoever doesn't know, and I got a 2019 MacBook Pro, and it's 1.4 gigahertz. Yeah, I made my research before I made this purchase, and yeah, they had 2017 which was 2.4 gigahertz. Apparently the more gigahertz the faster, but gigahertz doesn't determine, the amount of gigahertz doesn't determine how fast your laptop will be. It depends. But normally the more gigahertz, the faster your laptop will be, the more, effective it will be. But most Apple Pro, unless you go in a 2000 euro, it's mostly 1.4 gigahertz, I think so. So yeah, so this is the one. So let's open it. Ooh. And this one I got the 220, I think it's 256, yeah, 256 storage. I forgot what it's called, but I was so excited not to open this thing. It seems harder than what I thought. Let's see. This is it. It's written on it, Apple certified refurbished. So yeah, this is it. Now, if only. Look at that. And I got the, how do you call it? The gray, the space gray. That's what I got. So happy right now. Let me show you what I used to use before in a bit. I'll show you now. But this is it. Oh, this is it, y'all. 256 space storage, space gray, 2019 Apple MacBook Pro. and I got it for 1,300, I think. But I think this baby is gonna be worth the money. And this is my very first MacBook, so yeah, as I've said it before, allow me to be excited. So onto the box. This designed by Apple California. This is it. This, and I don't know what's in it. I'm sure it's just a booklet. Let's see. Yeah, it is. It's a booklet. So that's it there. And then this is the charger. This is it. Yeah, this is the charger. I don't know what this is. I think this is part of the... Oh yeah, it is a charger as well. This is, you plug it in here. Oh, cool. Okay. And this is it. The wire for the charger, and I think that's it for the box. So yeah. So now let's go on to the most exciting part. So let's see. We take it out. I think you have to rip it from here. I don't want to make any mistake and make a fall, but this is it, guys. My very first MacBook Pro. I don't know how I should feel though. It's not as small as I thought it would be. It's 13.3 inch, which is perfect to me. And yeah, no scratch at all. Nothing. Look at that. No scratch whatsoever. I think it's better to get it from Apple themselves. I think it's safer than getting it from, I don't know, on eBay or Amazon or whatever. I don't know. I just like anything I want to get, I like to go to the source. Simple as that. But this is it. When you open it, and we're removing the paper. Yo, I always watch this on YouTube, okay? I always watch it, and today it's happening. Yay. Okay, let's do this together. I'm gonna turn you, okay? So here we go. Oh.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay. To use English as the main language, press the return key. That's it there. Now let's see. It's loading. Okay. It has already chosen the country, which is Ireland. So I'm going to press OK.
macOS contains a built-in
Set it up
screen.
and I'll be back now in a few. So y'all, this is it. I've set up the main thing that I showed, and now I need to enable is Hey Siri. So Hey Siri, that's it there. Hey Siri, open the document folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather like? And lift. Oh, I think this is where you do your finger print. The screen is so dark you can barely see. So yeah, fingerprint for password. This is it. Place your finger. Apparently, yeah, you need fingerprint, and this one has touch ID right here. Let me show you. I think right here, this is the touch ID. Yeah, that's the touch ID if you want to use Apple Pay, and this is the touch bar, mostly for allow, don't allow, yeah, stuff like that. This is it. So yeah, this is the 2019 MacBook Pro, and the space gray. And my first impression, at first I was really excited. I guess when you're dying to have something and then you have it, then you're like, okay. Yeah, but I'm still super excited. So it's not heavy at all. For a MacBook Pro, I can throw this in my handbag and I'm out of the door. People were saying, oh, well, I need to get a MacBook Air. That's on my list already. But in the meantime, yeah, this is perfect to go out. Some people say don't get a Pro because it can be heavy, it won't be convenient. I'm sure the Air is going to be slightly lighter, but compared to old MacBook Pros, this one, it's perfect. And I'm gonna come back with a 6 months, after 6 months, and see, because apparently Apple with the keyboards, they are now weird. So crumbs can get into them, and then one key is not functioning, the other key is not working. So we are gonna see how it goes. So far, I have my first impression. I love it. I was super excited to get it yesterday, and they did the next day delivery. I ordered it before 3 p.m. and this morning by 11 o'clock or 12 it was here. So super excited. And yeah, and I have the iPhone XS Max, so I configured everything that is on my iPhone on this. And let me show you what I used to use before. This is the laptop that I used to use. This to this, like, you actually can't compare. This is the one that I use for my essay, and yeah, this is it right here. This is the dial. So yeah, this is what I used to use, the dial. Super heavy, but it helped me a lot. So now that I have the MacBook Pro, this one, I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep on using that. I don't know. And I thought it was gonna be slippery, but it's not. It's actually matte. And the Apple sign, it doesn't light. No, this is the new MacBook Pro, but I like the way it's shiny. It has a shiny effect to it, so there's no way you can miss that when you're going somewhere. I think I like it better than the one that used to light. That used to, yeah, light up. I prefer this one better. So yeah, this is it. My first impression. I love it, and I'm super happy with it. It took maybe 10 minutes to set it up. I had to agree to certain conditions, link my iPhone to set up Apple Pay. Well, I haven't set up Apple Pay yet, but I have set up Touch ID. And now I need to add my card and all other stuff, and add my other files I used to have in my window in this. But I don't think I'm gonna do that in order to have space. This is 256 gigabyte space, but I don't know how enough it is gonna be. So yeah, I have ordered. This is where you can plug in your speaker. And I think this is where the charger goes. Only two. So I have ordered one of those, how do you call them? I forgot the name, but this thing that you plug it in here, and then you can put your SD card, you can charge your phone, like this spare. Like, my mind is blank now, but I ordered one of them so that I can use it, because I am going to be editing videos anyway. That's why I got MacBook Pro, for my video editing. So yeah, I am going to need that, and I might order a case for it. I'm not sure, because I can be someone that is, I don't know, I don't want to scratch the thing or have it scratched. so already it has a bit of stain. I think it's a bit stained already, so I need to be more careful with it. But yeah, so this is it. And the keyboard is it's alright. It's very silent, but yeah, it's a very sleek mini laptop. And this is it, guys. This is it for today. This is the MacBook Pro. Yeah, it's 1.4 gigahertz and 256 gigabytes, and I got it for 1,300, and I think the initial price was 1,500, so I got about 300 euro off from Apple. So yeah, and I think I still have the same guarantee as other normal Apple. I would say so, because I got it from Apple Store. So yeah, this is it. I thought it's safer to get it from Apple than get it from a third party. That's my personal opinion now. But yeah, very light, and that's it for today, guys. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, I hope you were excited as I was, and I still am. I'm really excited. I can't wait to actually open it and start working with it and adjust to it and get used to it and love it and grow together, and until I get a MacBook Air. Until then, this will do. So this is it for today, guys. Take care of yourself, and remember, I love you always, and you are enough. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.